Sian from Alpine Store Manchester, and you are literally looking at me from behind the wheel of the A110. So we're continuing with our Nice to Be Nice month in June to celebrate our 1 year anniversary, and today I'm going to be heading up to Newcastle to join one of my customers for their wedding. Basically, Alex and Sian have inquired about an A110 a while ago, and it's mostly down to Alex, but he is and has and always has been a big fan of Alpine and the A110. He knows that because he still has his original Alpine A110 Marrakesh rally spec dinky toy car, and he knows that's the one that he played with the most, because that's the one that he battered the most. So as a little gesture, I am driving up to Newcastle, and Alex is going to be driving to his wedding in the A110 with his best man. So plenty more to go, and hopefully it'll all work out alright. Speak to you soon. I'm here. A little bit like Shane Ritchie doing the Dad's Doorstep Challenge. How white are your whites?
Morning, mate.
No way.
How you doing, pal?
Alright, mate.
Good to see you, mate.
Good to see you too, man.
Happy wedding day.
Thank you. What?
I've got you something borrowed and blue sorted.
Oh, mate. Oh, thank you. Again, hope it's not too windy. Wedding's done. It was a really nice ceremony. Alex was absolutely chuffed to bits with the surprise of being able to use the car to drive to the ceremony, and yeah, a good day had by all. I'm heading off back to Manchester now, but whilst I was heading in that direction, I thought, you know, let's come and say hello to the Angel of the North while I'm passing. Speak to you later.